Open it.
Open it.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I knew it!
Oh my god!
All right. Awesome. What do you guys tell Grandpa?
Thank you.
Oh, it's his. Well,
Open it. Yeah.
Angel, there's another one.
oh, ready?
Okay.
Open!
The white box.
Woohoo! Box.
Oh my god!
Oh shit!
A headset. And what's in the little box?
Remote for the... Cool, you guys, where's the...
Another remote.
Okay.
A remote.
Okay, open it. Come on, Angel,
Angel, what? There's more.
open. Ready?
That's a fat
Set,
bean.
Open. They're called square beans.
What is it? Open. What is this? A text pad.
All right.
Wait.
Okay.
Open. Ah, shit.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Charging station.
Yeah.
All right.
I know.
Everything.
What? Oh, you got more. Keep going.
Probably a game. Okay, ready? Set,
Go.
go.
What is it? Oh my god.
What is it?
Middle of water.
All right.
Okay. Ready? Set, open.
Oh, it's like a dancing thing.
All right.
Spiders.
Hey, one to the oven.
Oh
Oh my god.
you guys got so many games.
Oh my god.
No, that's Grandpa Jeff.
Modern Warfare 3.
Game of Wars 2.
Gears of War.
Yeah. Ah, that.
Bioshock
This one.
2.
Halo Reach.
All right.
Jessica and Tristan. That's all you get. Go.
Oh my god. Hey Dad, can I call you on my phone?
Okay, what do you guys say to Grandpa and Grandma?
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Wait, say
Thank you, Hammer.
All right. Merry Christmas, everyone.